Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and it's on how to cut a puffy sleeve. So I'm starting with my scissors, my chalk, my measuring tape and a piece of fabric. So what I did here was I spread out the fabric and folded it into two, then folded into four to represent the two sleeves we want to cut. That's the left hand sleeve and the right hand sleeve. Smoothed it out to make sure everything is cool. Then from the top of my fabric I measured my desired length. Actually I was verifying if the length was what I wanted, and I also checked if the width was also what I wanted. So from the center of my fabric I sort of drew a straight line, then I went down like I was drawing the armhole for a normal basic sleeve. You can check out that tutorial in the description box. So you go straight first, then you draw the normal armhole line, sort of a slanted L. Yeah, so when I was done with that, I took from the center, I measured out my arm circumference, the circumference of my upper arm and the circumference of my lower arm. I was kind of re-verifying here. I marked the circumference of my upper arm and circumference of my lower arm. And this is like my allowance included. When I was done with that, all I simply did was I cut open, I cut through. Now that part that I drew straight first before going on to draw the slanted L is where mostly the gathers or the gathers that will form the puffy sleeve will sit, although they will spread out to other parts of the sleeve, but that place represents where we will gather, where most of the gathers would form. So I just cut through. Like, it's that simple to cut a puffy sleeve. Then I opened it up. I forgot to notch this particular sleeve, but I ended up notching it later on. So don't forget to notch your sleeve at this point. So this is what it looks like. Then I'm going to sew from that point to this point. I'm just going to run a loose stitch, as you can see here. Then I used my pin and I pinned it in that notch part, that notched center part of the sleeve. This is going to help me know where to fix my sleeve on the dress. Then I went ahead to pull. I loosened the first stitch there, so it will enable me to do my gathers. Then I went ahead to pull. You pull to form puffs, then you arrange it. You pull to form puffs, then you arrange it. So most of the puff will be around the top side of the dress. They will spread down a bit, but not to like that slanted, this slanted and L shape. No. They'll be around like the top towards the middle part of the sleeve. So you just pull and arrange, pull and arrange. You can see how puffy it's looking already. So this is how the puffy sleeve looks like. I've not even joined the sides, but this is how it looks like. When I was done with that, I went over again to measure the circumference of my sleeve, the lower circumference and the upper circumference of my lower sleeve and my upper arm, connected them with a line. Did for the second sleeve as well. I'm going to sew from that point down from my upper arm to my lower arm. So took it over to my sewing machine. I ran stitches across that line. Did same for the second sleeve as well. So this is what the puffy sleeve looks like. If you want a video to see how I normally fix my sleeve into my dress, I'll leave the link to that video in the description box. But this is how to sew a puffy sleeve. So this is an up close look. What is left here is for me to fix it into my dress. I didn't do that in this video.